Hi, so my name is Avi Grant, and I'm a sophomore GIS major at the University of Maryland. For my College Park program, I did identifying erroneous data points for crop mapping in Kenya. So let's begin. About my project, the site location was the Department of Geographical Sciences at UMD, NASA Harvest Africa program, and I worked remotely. The topic of my work was to analyzing crop data in sub-Saharan Africa. What do you do for your project? I worked on the fall armyworm data set of ground truth data used for training models for the NASA Harvest Africa program in order to recognize crops in satellite images. A challenge the researchers have is that with many data sets, there are some erroneous samples that are incorrectly located on buildings, roads, etc., rather than fields, likely due to GPS error. The models get confused by these incorrect labels, so the research team wanted to remove the erroneous points before using the dataset. I helped with this task manually by going through and analyzing the data by hand in Google Earth Pro, which is a GIS tool, like ArcGIS, for instance, and renaming points as to whether they were crop, non-crop, not sure, or ND for no data. I reviewed a subset of this data, which in total has about 34,000 points. What I learned from my project. I learned analyze data points and look for errors. On a broader scale, I learned about importance of food security and crop management in Africa. For future scholars, if you're interested in this kind of work, you can contact the Department of Geographical Sciences at UMD or check out the NASA Harvest program for more information and for future research opportunities. And I included here as a screenshot of my research work, where you can see there's a point in Malawi, I think, for intercropping. And here's the sources for my poster.